Hello everyone, my name is Amin from the TheDLAcademy, and in today's video I will introduce a new subject which will be building a simple recommender system using Python and pandas. So what is a recommender system? It is a program that uses the correlation between the ratings assigned to different movies in order to find the similarity between them. So there is two main types of recommender system. The first one is content-based filtering, which uses the similarity between different products is calculated on the basis of the attributes of the products, for example Netflix. And the second type is collaborative filtering, which uses the power of the users of the platform that rates themselves the product, like Amazon. So let's get started. The first step that we need is to download the movie lens dataset. We need to download this one, ml-latest small.zip, and extract it on our computer. So once everything is downloaded, we can start coding. So for this tutorial, we will need two main libraries, which are NumPy and pandas. So let's go ahead and import them. We'll create a new variable called ratings_data, and we will extract ratings.csv file in this variable. So I need this path. So here I'm using read_csv. It is a special method in the pandas library that enables me to extract the data from a CSV file. And then I will import the first 5 elements from this dataset just to make sure everything is correct. So as you can see here, we can see the movie ID, the rating, 4-star, 5-star, and the timestamp. The next step will be to extract the movies.csv file. So we will do the same process as the ratings.csv file. We'll import the data in a variable. And we will import the first 5 elements just to make sure everything is correct. So as you can see here, some title of movies and their types. So the next step that we need to do is to merge the data from the ratings.csv file and the movies.csv. So we'll merge them into a variable called movie_data, and we will use a special function in the pandas library called merge. Here we'll put the names of the two variables that you need to merge. And we want to merge them into the movie ID feature. Now we'll import the first 5 elements. So as you can see here, the movie ID is always 1, but the user ID changed. And the rating, you can see at 2.5 star, the timestamp, the title, and the different types of movies. So all this is merged data from 2 variables. So now we'll group by the rating with the title. And for this we'll need a special method in the pandas library, which is GroupBy. So you can see the title of the movie and the ratings. So now we will sort the average rating. Once again, we will use the GroupBy method. So this code is grouping the title and rating, and is calculating the mean, and it will sort the values in descending. So it will go from the biggest to the lowest rating. So as you can see here, we can see the title and the rating. They are all 5-star because we set up the ascending equal false. So this means that it's in descending order from the biggest one. Now we will print the total number of ratings. So for this code, it's the same thing as this one, but we will use the count. So as you can see here, the most rated movie is Forrest Gump with 329 ratings. And now the most important part is the average ratings with the number of ratings. So we'll create a new variable to store the data. So this code will add the average rating of each movie to a data frame. Now we'll add the number of ratings for a movie to the ratings underscore mean underscore count data frame. And let's take a look at our new data frame. So as you can see here, we have the title, we have the rating, and we have the rating counts. So this is it for the data preprocessing part. And in the next video, we will be discussing and creating the correlation system, which will actually be our recommender system. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for listening.